Izakhamuzi zase-Lesotho zinethemba elikhulu ngezwe lazo njengoba kubanjwe ukhetho likazwelonke namhlanje. Mathathu amaqembu ancintisana kwesobumengameli. Lamaqembu yiqembu elibusayo i-All Basotho Convention, i-Democratic Congress kanye ne-Revolution for Prosperity. Izakhamuzi zinethemba ngentuthuko ezweni emva kokhetho. Zikhala kakhulu ke ngamathuba omsebenzi, inhlalo kanye nengqalasizinda.
Let's address the infrastructure issue so that the youth have roads to go to market.
It's been 56 years of independence. To our future leaders, we need change. We need jobs, good health, good roads, wealth.
We should help the upcoming entrepreneurs, the small businesses, by funding them because the job market is saturated. We don't have a lot of economic diversification in this country, so it will help a lot if they could support the entrepreneurs.
It's just disappointing to listen to everybody or every political party's manifesto and hear them campaigning about what I believe are basic needs, which is roads, electricity, water, and so on and so forth, education. And I believe politicians do not have to campaign about such. Those are basic needs. That is the mandate of government. So I think we need better services. We need a complete transformation of Lesotho.